How to view saved contacts in Google account. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can view the contacts saved in your Google account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up a browser in your device. Once you're on browser, now on the search bar type in contacts.google.com. Then search for it. You'll be taken into this page and you'll be asked to log in if you're not already logged in to a Google account. Here you can switch between your account as well. And once you're logged in with your account, here you will find all the contacts that you have saved in your Google account, as you can see on mine. Now, if you want to delete or change or export, all you have to do is tap on it. Then tap on the tick mark next to the contact. And if you navigate at the top right corner, there is three dots. Click on it. There you have option to export, hide from contacts, or delete. So you can do any of that. And that's how you can find or view your saved contacts in your Google account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.